Hey Go Hi lovers, in this video we'll be discussing about LinkCamp for workflows. Let's install. From the app marketplace down below in the navigation bar, you can find for the LinkCamp for workflows when you type in, and after that you will be finding this install. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts or you can choose them all. When you select all, it will be giving you the option to enable automatic future installation as well. Right now, we will be just using our specific sub account, that is Mobile Test. Continue with that, allow and install. In a moment, it will be installed. The next step will be moving forward towards the app configuration in the sub account on which we have installed LinkCamp for workflows. You can see it from here as well. Now we are here in our sub account level. Find for the app configuration from here and choose LinkCamp. Let's get it configured. You have to find for the API key to do that. So you will be signing in your LinkCamp account, and after that in the settings you can find for the API key. Let me show you how to do that. Here we are in our LinkCamp account. As you can see, as I have already settled the account, and in the integrations section from the dashboard you can just copy, as I have already created it. If not, you can just create one, copy and paste it there. When you paste it, submit. It is successfully configured. Now head towards the automations from here, and to create a workflow, to just check on what value is being provided by LinkCamp. Here we are in our workflow builder. Let's just create a new action. Find for LinkCamp. Here it is. These are the variety of actions that you can use in your workflows and create your own automations. You can create tag, create blacklists, create lead, add lead to campaign. You can get them, update them accordingly. It's up to you. So the options are endless. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.